Namaste, my dear friends. There is a massive infrastructure push for Lakshadweep as center plans new airport at Minicoy. With India aiming to boost tourism in Lakshadweep Islands, there are plans to build a new airport on the Minicoy Island. With India aiming to boost tourism in Lakshadweep Islands, there are plans to build a new airport on the Minicoy Island, which is likely to support both commercial planes and military aircraft. The plan is to have a joint airfield that would be capable of operating fighter jets, military transport planes, and commercial aircraft. ANI quoted government sources as saying, even though the proposals have been moved to the government for developing this new airfield in the Minicoy Island in the past too, this plan of having a joint use defense airfield has been revived in recent times and is being actively progressed, they informed. From the military point of view, the airfield would give India a strong capability as it can be used as a base to keep an eye on the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean region. The Indian Coast Guard was the first force under the Defense Ministry to suggest the development of an airstrip in the Minicoy Islands. As per the present proposal, the Indian Air Force would be in the lead to run the operations from Minicoy. The airport at Minicoy would also give the defense forces the capability to extend their area of surveillance in the Arabian Sea. The airport at Minicoy would also provide a boost to tourism in the region as has been planned by the government. There is only one airstrip in the island territory at the moment, which is in Agatti, and it can also limit the types of aircraft. The proposal for the development of a new airport and extending the present facilities has been revived recently. The island territory has been the center of discussion and attraction since the visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi there last week. Thank you for watching this video. Namaskar, my dear friends. Thank you.